Hello friends, how you guys doing? Welcome to Jumian's channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I took down my 2-strand twist. I'm going to be working in section. To start taking down, I am going to be spraying my hair with water to let my hair soften up, and that way I will not be breaking my hair. For me, this is really important. I do not need oil because I already have oil on my hair. I am going to be taking down the twist first. If you watch the video that I did for this hair, I did some braids before I started the twist. That's the reason why I want to show you how I took it down. And I did show you two ways. One of them is by using the tip of my fingers to find the loop or the center of the braid and just take it down from there. I like this one better because I can control it. I can feel where my fingers is touching before I dig my nails around it. If you're going to be using this method, please make sure your nails are smooth so they won't be cutting or dragging your hair to break it. So I do this and then until I get to the bottom. That's really it. And you can see here that I can feel the tangle coming, and I'll just use my hand to just soften it up. Pretty much detangling my hair while I'm taking my hair down. And you can see how the dirt or the dirt at the bottom of my hair, how that dirt is loosening up. That's because I spray water on it first. It was easy. Normally, I might lose my edges from this if I did not spray water first. I'm going to show you another way, and I'm using this just because this particular side of my head is so thin, so I'm going to be using a comb. Preferably, you use a comb that you're comfortable with, that you're used to. I'm used to this one, that's why I'm using it. I use my fingers to find where the comb, the tooth of the comb is supposed to go in, and then I just kind of go from there. And I make sure that I'm detangling as I'm doing it, and I'm not going 2 holes at a time. I'm actually doing it individually. There's really no easier way or a faster way to do this. So any faster way that I might do it might let me lose more than this hair that I lose. I have this hair on my head for 5 weeks, and losing this little tiny one from this strand is really what I'm supposed to lose anyway, because I hair shed every day. And you can see this is more easier. This one is more easier, the one that I'm taking out right now, because it's in the center of my hair. It's not at the edges of my hair are more fragile, and they're not as thick as the rest of my hair. So you can see how easy this is. You can see me here detangling my hair. This is pretty much all I do throughout. As soon as I get a lot together, I spray water on it again, just to keep the moisture in until I'm done with the rest of the hair. Comb out the shedding hair so I won't have a tangle when I'm washing my hair. And that's really about it. And all I do from here is I just like kind of twist it, chunk twist it, so it won't be getting on the way of the other ones, and at the same time it'll be easier for me to manage when I'm ready to wash it. This is the finished work. I really never want to lose any hair, but we all know we get to shed our hair every day. This is how much hair I lost. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's useful to somebody out there. If it does, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah.